There's one week in history unlike any other. During this week, time itself was split in two. The exact moment when the clock stopped. Everything that came before pointed to this moment, and everything that came after was forever changed. Over these 7 days, the ultimate battle was fought between life and death, between darkness and light. 7 days that changed the destiny of humanity. Yet what unfolded then wasn't understood as it happened. No one grasped what was truly taking place, not even those standing just a few yards away. They thought they were witnessing a brutal tragedy, unaware that it was, in truth, the greatest victory in history, the fulfillment of God's plan, written from the dawn of time. This was the week the circle closed, and everything that unfolded on this earth over 2,000 years ago was precisely designed for one single purpose: our redemption.